Today is Monday, the 23rd of March, and here is a glimpse of my kitchen and the outside beautiful lemon tree. And today we're starting a special project. It's called planting of the sugar snaps. Guess what? This was the dry ones. These are the dry seeds from my previous harvest from last year, and I soaked them for about 3 days, and look at them, they sprouted beautifully. And today I'm gonna plant them, and I will show you how. Okay guys, so these are gonna be the places where I'm gonna plant this wonderful sugar snap peas. Here they are. I've soaked them for 3 days and they're ready. Okay, so first I put some really nice soil over there. Now we're gonna water a little bit. And this is what you're gonna be doing with your parents, hopefully at home. You have a little bit of little space in your garden. That's a perfect spot. Okay, just choose a sunny location, and so you take one and just pop it right in there. There we go. 2, 3, we're gonna count them all. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Woo! Okay, now I'm taking some more dirt and put it over each of these beautiful sugar snap peas. By the way, these poles, these are just very simple chopsticks from the Chinese restaurant. Here we go. All this beautiful, nice dirt over it. This you can easily do at home. There we go. And all we have to do now, after we put dirt on top of it, pour some water on top just a little bit. Today we're anticipating rain, so it's going to rain over it anyway. So that's all we need to do. And if there is no rain, then you have to water it every day. And we're going to watch it. We'll see what happens, okay? That's our new project. Bye, guys.